this is the new AirPods Pro. You can see the packaging of it. I have recently got this as a gift from my friend. The Apple logo on the box looks premium. And then here is it, AirPods Pro wireless charging case, and this is the way it looks. Is really awesome. So let's open up the box and check how it looks. Okay, so here you can see it's written designed by Apple in California. Premium. I just love the design packaging of the product. And here is a kind of a booklet which can actually help you understand how to use. Let's open up. So you can, it is giving everything in detail, everything to know about. This is how you can change the tip of it in case it's not fitting you well. And this is the warranty card and quite a lot of documentations which comes along with the product. So let's just keep these things aside. Okay, all right, let's keep this aside and actually move on to the product. Look at this. Wow, this is so like premium, white and beautiful. This is the button through which you can pair it to the device, any device. And let's go ahead and open this. Oh, sorry, before that, yes, this is the charging point. So now we open the product. Okay, so here it is. Lovely AirPods Pro. Oh my god, I was looking on to get these ones since a very long time. The tip of it is so good. It is so comfortable to wear in for long hours, and this is also having an active noise cancellation, which actually helps to reduce the noise from outside so much. You just feel like this so much sound. If you're traveling or if you're doing anything, the sound coming from outside to your ear becomes so nice and peaceful. It feels like as if they are singing lullaby for you. Anyways, so this is the left side of it, and very premium product. And as soon as you hold it in your hand, the shut and opening of the product, it sounds very meaty and very nice. It's a very premium product, very well built, and I'm so happy that I have this product with me now. And let's see these things as well in the box. So let's just remove it. Okay, so this is so these are the additional tip for different sizes for your. So when you have the AirPod with you, so you can replace the tip based on your true size. You can change it and shift it and use it and hear the music to the best of your ear size. So Apple has taken care of that, but remember, don't lose this. It's very costly if you lose that, 500. And yes, this is the C port charger and Apple's lightning charger which comes along with it. It's pretty much the wire is okay. Like I use a Apple mouse, so I already have this, so I won't be touching this for now, so I'll just keep it. So that's it. I mean, it's a great product. I am in love with it. Amazing, great product. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye.